John's like, I bought a used car, and now that I'm driving it, I realize it smells like wet dog and burning smell from engine. Oh no! Going into the cabin. Great crap! That's not good. There might be, by the way, there might be some animal trapped near the engine or something like that. So look into it. One thing I found out, by the way, is we have a friend that has a car, and she was having electrical issues, right? So she took the car in to her mechanic, trusted mechanic, to take a look at it. And the mechanic said this problem that she's having, he's getting one car coming in a week with the same problem. And the problem is this: the coating that some of the car manufacturers are using for the wiring in the car is made from soya plastic or soya oils, right? There's soya product in there for the coating of the electrical wiring in the car, and rats love that coating. So what's happening is, when people have parked their cars at nighttime, rats are going inside the car and eating the coating on the wiring, and the wiring is short-circuiting or breaking the wiring, and the cars are having electrical issues. And the mechanics said they're having one car come in a week with this problem. So if you're going to buy a brand new car, if you're going to buy a car, look into it, do some research, make sure that car doesn't have this problem. Soya is great for rodents.